Hey everyone, Blockchain Philosopher here. After you read that thumbnail, I bet you're wondering, how can a technology be a philosophy? Well, in the next 5 minutes, we will try to provide an answer to that query. We believe that the blockchain is more than a mere technological innovation. Rather, it may be transformative in nature and could have a profound impact on human interactions and interpersonal relations. It may be the most disruptive technology we have ever seen. And as we shall see, this appears to all be good news. This is the first of many videos on the philosophy of blockchain. By way of background, we know that blockchain is a distributed digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers in a way that is secure, transparent, and tamper-resistant. Instead of being stored in a single central database, copies of the ledger are shared across many independent nodes. Blockchain has the potential to redefine the philosophical concepts of trust and truth. Now let's go to 30,000 feet. Let's begin with the concept of trust. Financial institutions lost our trust years ago when banks decided that checking accounts were not off-limits to seizure. Legally, banks viewed demand depositors as unsecured creditors. This happened in both Cyprus and more recently with demonstrating truckers in Canada. With blockchain, one does not need to trust a third-party intermediary with financial matters, ownership documents, signatures, or insurance. Similarly, with blockchain smart contracts, contract law will be upended. This has the potential to reinstate the concept of handshake agreements and vastly reduce the need for lawyers. Promises made, promises kept. Such a simple concept. Blockchain is transparent, immutable, irreversible, set in stone, and tamper-proof. For most of history, trust has been top-down. Buy a house, wire money, prove you own something. At the desk of a trusted third party, banks, governments, insurance companies, notaries. They keep the ledger, they decide what's true. It works, but it adds friction, fees, single points of failure. Blockchain flips the axis. Instead of trust who, it asks, trust what? Cryptographic proofs replace reputations. Mathematical trust replaces third-party trust. Don't trust, verify is the expression. A distributed ledger copied across the world reaches consensus through math. Truth by design, not decree. The intermediary, the marble lobby authority, steps aside. Gatekeepers disappear. And authority is decentralized. Access is permissionless. If you can connect, you can participate. Transparency is radical. Security rests not on walls, but on immutability and incentives. Removing the middleman is a democratization of agency and thus represents a philosophical breakthrough. Peer-to-peer interactions becomes the default. The very code of blockchain can carry ethics. Smart contracts are programmable agreements. If X happens, then Y executes. Code becomes law. Outcomes are guaranteed by architecture, not by the mood of an institution. This all sounds mechanical. So where's the philosophy, you ask? Blockchain forces us, or allows us, to question the central philosophical concepts of trust and truth. Who can we trust, and what is truth? Diogenes no longer needs to search for an honest man. With blockchain, the truth of ownership of a property or who you voted for cannot be questioned. Disinformation and misinformation are no longer allowed. If someone promises to do something and later recants, it is all apparent on the blockchain. But philosophical transformation is not without costs. Freedom has a price, radical responsibility. There's no forgot password for your private keys. Lose them, the network's indifference is absolute. Decentralization removes the safety net, along with the gatekeeper. It demands literacy, good habits, personal discipline. A person in a Kenyan village and a hedge fund manager in New York. Same rules, same visibility. No VIP window, no back door, just a protocol that treats everyone the same. This isn't about coins, it's about fairness. Democracy in action. People in poor societies who don't own bank accounts can easily access Bitcoin to make transactions, transfer money to their home country, or just save. Money, markets, agreements, identity, governance, public goods, rebuilt on open, verifiable infrastructure. No more politician lies, central bank meddling, or insurance company scams. Is this new philosophy perfect? No. New tools bring new risks, scams, learning curves, uncertainty. But the direction is clear. From trusting people in buildings to trusting proofs anyone can verify. In the end, fewer permissions, more accountability. A common ledger for a crowded planet. Don't trust, verify. And take responsibility. In future videos, we will discuss real-life examples of the blockchain as a transformative philosophy. These will include concepts such as fraud, voting, insurance, banking, contracts, interpersonal relations, and much more. So stay tuned and subscribe. If you have your own examples of areas in which the blockchain can foster more trust and truth, please leave your comments below.